This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Cybertruck versus McLaren. We'll explore how these two vehicles, one an electric pickup and the other a high-performance supercar, cater to entirely different drivers. You'll see their distinct design philosophies and understand why each excels in its own domain. Let's dive into what sets them apart. When it comes to raw performance, both vehicles impress, but in different ways. The Cybertruck's top trim can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. McLaren models, however, are engineered for pure speed, often reaching 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Their horsepower figures also differ significantly, with many McLarens offering well over 700 horsepower. Their designs couldn't be more contrasting. The Cybertruck showcases a unique stainless steel exoskeleton and a sharp, angular aesthetic built for durability. McLaren vehicles, conversely, feature sleek, aerodynamic curves and lightweight construction, optimized for high-speed performance. The Cybertruck also provides impressive utility, offering over 120 cubic feet of storage, a stark contrast to a McLaren's focus on driver experience. Finally, let's talk about value. The Cybertruck offers a compelling package, with pricing for the rear-wheel drive model starting around $60,990. McLaren vehicles, designed for an exclusive market, typically begin at several $100,000, reflecting their bespoke engineering and luxury status. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.